In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change lowercase text to uppercase in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself needing to capitalize a list of names or any text data and thought, "Oh, this is going to take forever," worry not. I'm here to show you a super simple method that will save you time and hand cramps. This guide will take just a few minutes, and by the end of it, you'll be able to effortlessly convert any lowercase text into uppercase without manually retyping it all. First, let's dive into our Google Sheets. If you haven't already, open up a Google Sheet that you want to work with. You might have an existing document where you need this text conversion, or you could be starting fresh. Either way, this method will work smoothly. Once your Google Sheet is open, decide where you'd like the uppercase version of your text to appear. It's best to choose an empty cell that's nearby the text you want to convert so you can easily keep track of your changes. Go ahead and click on the cell where you want the final uppercase text to be displayed. Now, here's where the magic happens. With your output cell selected, you'll want to enter a formula that is tailor-made for this job. It's the upper function. In the selected cell, type equals, followed by the word upper in all caps. This is then immediately followed by an opening parenthesis, because this function will need to know which text you aim to convert. Next, you're going to specify what exactly you want to transform into uppercase. If the text is already in your sheet, click on the cell where the original lowercase text is located. Alternatively, if you want to convert a specific string of text, you can simply write it within quotation marks directly in the formula. Either method works great, so choose whichever fits your situation. Once you've indicated the source text, whether by cell reference or by directly typing it within quotes, close off your formula with a closing parenthesis. At this point, your formula should look something like this: equals upper, open parenthesis, followed by your cell reference or quoted text, and closing parenthesis. With everything in place, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Voila! The text in the original cell has now been transformed into uppercase in your designated output cell. It's quick, it's efficient, and you've just knocked off what could have been a daunting task in just a few clicks. Congratulations! You now have the know-how to transform any lowercase text into uppercase using Google Sheets with ease. Whether you're refining a dataset or simply making your text shout a little louder, this tool is at your fingertips for whenever you need it. Enjoy your newly capitalized text and happy spreadsheeting.